Hours after announcing a 36-hour ceasefire for Orthodox Christmas, the first major truce of the more than 10-month-long war that has killed tens of thousands of people, Russian strikes rocked the eastern part of Ukraine. On Thursday, Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered a ceasefire to observe a Christmas truce. The truce was supposed to last 36 hours, but air raid sirens are ringing around following the airstrike. Meanwhile, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky had already questioned the Kremlin's intentions, accusing it of planning the fighting pause to continue the war with renewed vigor. On Thursday, a US warship sailed through the sensitive Taiwan Strait as a part of what US military calls routine activity, but the act has aggravated China. In recent years, US warships and on occasion those from allied nations such as Britain and Canada have sailed through the straits, drawing China's anger, which claims Taiwan against the objection of its democratically elected government. In a statement, the US military said that the Arleigh-Burke-class guided missile destroyer Chung-Hoon carried out the transit. On Thursday, the US Geological Survey said that Hawaii's Kilauea began erupting inside its summit crater less than 1 month after one volcano and its larger neighbor Mauna Loa stopped releasing lava. The agency said that Hawaiian Volcano Observatory detected a glow in webcam images indicating Kilauea had begun erupting inside Halemaumau crater at the volcano's summit caldera. Kilauea summit is inside Hawaii Volcanoes National Park and away from residential communities. Early on Thursday, the US Geological Survey raised the alert level for Kilauea due to signs that magma was moving below the summit surface, which is an indication that the volcano might erupt. Former President Donald Trump was figuratively laughed out of the room when he garnered a single vote amid a heated struggle for the coveted post of Speaker in the US House of Representatives. For context, the Speaker's chair has been lying vacant for 3 days straight after Republican leader Kevin McCarthy failed to win enough votes from his party to seize the chamber's gavel after multiple rounds of voting. The House can elect whoever it wants to serve as Speaker, even if it's someone who isn't a member of Congress. Trump, on his part, is bidding to return to the White House and does not harbor speakership ambitions anyway.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.